Good morning, boys and girls. This will be the morning work for today. Understanding key details, number 10. It's called Report Card Day. Jen had always gotten good grades, but she was worried about this year's report card. Her sister Mary told her how hard fourth grade was and that Mrs. Smither, her teacher, never gave anyone an A. Even though Jen had worked as hard as she could, those words from her sister stuck in her brain. As the teacher walked around the room handing out the report cards, she told the class that they had done well for the first half of the year, but they would need to work harder during the next half. When Miss Smither got to Jen's desk, she placed the report card in her hands and smiled. "You are having a great year," she told Jen. When she said that, all Jen's worry melted away, and she knew the report card would have good news. She opened the paper and saw a row of A grades down the side of it. She couldn't wait to go home and off her perfect report card to her parents. Number 1. Who made Jen nervous about getting her report card this year? Who made Jen nervous about getting her report card this year? And remember to use the race formula. You need to restate the question. You can't just say her sister. You have to say Jen's sister made her nervous about getting her report card this year. That's what you would have to write on the line. Number 2, what did the teacher say as she walked around the classroom? What did the teacher say as she walked around the classroom? Number 3, where was Jen excited to go after she saw her report card? Where was Jen excited to go after she saw her report card? Number 4, when did Jen open her report card? When did Jen open her report card? Number 5, how did Jen know she had done well even before she opened the report card? How did Jen know she had done well even before she opened the report card? And number 6, why was Jen nervous about her grades even though she had worked as hard as she could? Why was Jen nervous about her grades even though she had worked as hard as she could? And this is all the questions, so you need to go back and listen to the video to help you answer the questions.